Hello, rising seniors. Let's talk about the college essay. I know it's very tempting to wait until the fall to write your essay, but here's the truth. Summer is the best time to write it. Why? You have no schoolwork, you have less stress, if any, and you actually have time to reflect on what you wrote. When August hits, things are gonna move fast. Deadlines are creeping up, and suddenly you're juggling classes, jobs, applications, scholarships, everything at once. So when you write your essay in the summer, it gives you time to revise, get feedback, and feel confident at the start of your senior year. And remember, it's not about writing the perfect essay. It's about writing one that feels true to you. So if you haven't started yet, this is your nudge. At least start brainstorming, or better yet, join one of my workshops so I can help you write that essay within the week.